G'day! In today's video I've got, I believe, an A13, and this one I think the power button is faulty on it. It's physically clicking and feeling good, but it's not actually waking up the phone. I was previously double tapping it and it was able to wake it up, so I suspect that it may have just become disconnected internally. So what I'll do is pry it open. With a little bit of luck I can find a pry location. I think the SIM tray location is about the best you get. There, let's pop it. Now if you use a plastic guitar pick, go around it, that should get me further into it. What I'm hoping to find is this, the actual flex cable has come loose, but we'll see what we see. Fold that over, and we look to be disconnected. I don't know if I just disconnected that then. This little cable here is what gives it grief. That should push back into there. Should do a nice click like that. The cable itself doesn't look to be damaged. So I'm hoping I can reconnect it onto here. Line it up. Push down. Make sure it is attached. Fold it over like a book. It's pretty rare that it will actually get detached, but as you can see from here, it's not actually covered by anything. So a hard enough drop on a weird angle may potentially pop it off. I'm hoping that's what's happened in this particular instance. Power button. There we go. Functioning as it should. Right now it's complaining that it's overheating, which is exactly what's expected, being it's being on a heat pad. That's one resolved phone. Easy. Bye.